Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a living room tour, so stay tuned. Down there I have my mat, my cream and blue mat, and on your right I have my window and my curtains. My curtains are a mix of gray and white because I'm currently obsessed with gray, so I had to have gray. And my white shears. Look at the gathers. Hey, I got the curtains and the shears from Isili, Bangkok Mall. Shop number, I really can't remember the shop, but I'll link everything down below, so if you're interested you can go check them out. They costed me around, I think, 6k if I'm not wrong. And they're really good material, they're really good quality. Next to the window I have this empty wall, so I decided to DIY a macrame. It's a blue and white macrame. I wanted a dark blue, but I couldn't find, so I had to use that light blue. There goes my couch, my yellow throw blanket, mustard throw blanket, my blue L shape, it's an L shape 6-seater. I got my pillow covers, the fur ones from Miss Lee. The blue ones and the white and blue ones came with the seat. And yeah, I'll link the fundi's number down below. If you're interested, you can check him out. The seat is really huge. It's really huge. And the blue is royal blue, so the phone is kinda dimming because of the light. It's not showing the actual color, but it's royal blue. Down there I have my carpet that I got from Isili. It's a mix of gold, blue and gray. As you have noticed by now, my theme house is gray, blue and white. And the phone isn't really doing the carpet justice. It's really beautiful. It's a blue, gold and gray. There I have my poof, which is acting as a coffee table, because before I get one. And there on the corner I have my mirror and my chondo, which I store my excess throw blankets. And on your left side I have my TV console. It's a white one. I got it from an Instagram page. I'll link the name down below. Can't remember. Up there I have my TV. Nothing much. And on the left side I have my dining table. It's a 4-seater, white and gray. As I mentioned earlier, my theme is white, gray and some other shades. So there goes my living room. Sorry for my tripod. That's just my tripod that right there. I didn't know where to put it. There is my Sony system, home theater. I have there, right there on the corner, I have my mirror. It's a huge one. I love mirrors, so this one was a must have. I have my chondo there, as I mentioned earlier, and yeah, up there I have my frames, my photo frames that I just bought the frames and printed the photos from Pinterest, and there you have it. Voila. On the other side, I am yet to print 2 of them. I'll do that later. So that's my living room.